Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we will talk about how to get the add your sticker on Instagram story. So to get the add your sticker on Instagram, go to your Instagram app. Now tap your profile picture to add a new story. Tap on this plus icon. Now you can take a photo or shoot a video or maybe upload one from a gallery. Now tap the sticker icon, this one. Tap the sticker icon at the top of your screen. Locate and select the add your stickers. Tap on it. Now write a prompt. You can type a theme for your prompt, for example, current view or pet photo. And once you type your prompt, write your prompt here. Click the dice icon for a random suggestion. Now tap done to place it on your story, then share to your story or maybe close friends or via direct messages. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next video.